Hello, friends. I am very happy today to present to you a ultra mini series of Kashmiri lessons. Uh, Ultra mini because each lesson will be 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. And the target is that within 6 to 9 months, each one of you gains to a really good level of spoken Kashmiri. Now, before I start, it's very important for me to give you a brief background about myself. I have migrated out of Poland almost 20 years back. Um, I'm sorry, I said in Poland. No, I have migrated out of India and settled in Poland almost 15, 20 years back. I have lived in Spain as well, a bit of it in China and Germany. And For 10 years, I did not speak a word of Polish. Why? Every time I mustered courage to speak or to try to learn about Polish, I would actually figure out that the language teachers who were assigned to train me would quickly jump into Polish grammar, and soon as it would happen, I would drop out of the lessons. Why? Because Polish grammar was exceptionally difficult to learn. Then I got married along the way, and we were blessed with our first son. My son Arihant spoke at the age of 2.5 years, and really surprising, in fact shocking, and terrifying was the fact that his first words were in Polish. We did not have a Polish speaking nanny. In fact, we had a Spanish speaking nanny for him. Nevertheless, I have no clue how he learned, but he picked up his first word, which was tata in Polish. And I was really terrified. Why? Because I thought that in a few years he would be fluent in Polish and I would not be able to communicate with him. So that is where began my personal challenge to learn Polish faster than my 3-year-old son. And here I am. I have spent close to 2 years learning Polish. I would say almost from scratch. And within 2 years, I have reached to the level of B1. Um, Along the way, I learned a few tricks that can enable, I believe, anyone to get a quick transition to any new language, any foreign language, between the levels in 6 months, give or take, depending upon your personal acumen. But I think getting from not speaking anything to speaking the basic survival vocabulary in a foreign language should take anywhere between 1 to 3 months, depending upon how meticulous and disciplined you are. From A1 to A2, around 9 months, and from A2 to B1, 3 months. Now, these are based on my personal experience. For me, the transition technically from nothing to A1 was a bit longer than 3 months. Why? Because I was a bit lazy. But the moment I realized that I'm going to lose this battle with my son, who is 3 years, I started working in a more diligent way. And yes, in short span of 15 months, I give a bit of error percentage, short span of 2 years. You can jump from speaking nothing to going to a B1 level in almost any language. And in my experience, all it takes is 30 minutes a day, nothing more. So what I would like to present to you is basically a series of 10-minute lessons. Each of these lessons uh, will be uh, will be available as downloadable MP3 files. You can download these MP3 files from the YouTube. I authorize you to download them if you like them, and put it in your smartphone, whether you have Apple or Android, and listen to them whenever you have time. During the day, I realized that we have multiple such moments of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes when we have to take a break, or depending upon your personal preferences, you don't want to do anything. Simply listen to this file, 5-minute lesson. If you repeat it 4 times a day, that's done. You don't need to have a dedicated session to learn the language. Okay, so good. Are you ready? In today's lesson, we will learn roughly around 20 new words, and I would encourage you to repeatedly listen and talk with me during the lesson, because that is the easiest way of learning. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. If you make mistakes, that's okay. No one is going to listen to your mistakes initially, right? And I made a lot of mistakes. Good. So are you ready? First word, hello. What is hello in Kashmiri? Hello? What is hello? Hello in Kashmiri is namaskar. Now, this is a bit of trick word because you can use namaskar for hello. You can use namaskar for good morning as well. Um, and if you have to make it a bit more polite, bit more respectful, you can add mahara to it, and it becomes namaskar mahara. So coming back, hello in Kashmiri is namaskar. Namaskar. What is hello in Kashmiri? Say it again. Yes. Hello in Kashmiri is namaskar. The second word, what time in Kashmiri? What is time in Kashmiri? Time in Kashmiri is waqt. Repeat it. Time in Kashmiri is waqt. Waqt. Yes, you got it right. So what is time in Kashmiri? Time in Kashmiri is waqt. So we got two words. First one was hello. Hello is namaskar, and time is waqt. Hello is namaskar, time is waqt. So repeat. Good. What is today in Kashmiri? Today in Kashmiri is aaz. Say it again. Aaz. What is today in Kashmiri? I didn't hear you. Yes. Today in Kashmiri is aaz. So we got first three words. Hello is namaskar. Time is waqt. And today is aaz. You could hear these phrases. Namaskar mara aaz kya time. Namaskar mara aaz kya date. Namaskar mara aaz kya waqt. So, a lot of colloquial is also used. People interchange waqt with time as well in Kashmiri. But, while we are learning, let's learn the real words. So, namaskar, waqt, and aaz. Now, these were the first three words. Let's jump to the words of the week. What is Sunday? Sunday is Aatwar. 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 What is Sunday? Sunday is Aatwar. What is Monday? Monday is Chandarwar. What is Monday? Monday is Chandarwar. Chandarwar. What is Monday? Monday is Chandarwar. What is Tuesday? Tuesday is Bomb Tuesday is bomb. What is Tuesday? Tuesday is bomb. Now we got the first 3 days: Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Sunday is Atwar, Monday is Chandarwar, and Tuesday is Bomwar. What is Wednesday? Wednesday is Bodwar. Wednesday is Bodwar. What is Wednesday? Wednesday is Bodwar. What is Thursday? Thursday is Braswar. What is Thursday? Thursday is Braswar. What is Friday? Friday is Shukurwar. What is Friday? Shukurwar. So what is Friday? Shukurwar. And the last day of the week, what is Saturday? Saturday is Batwar. Saturday is Batwar. So these were the days. Let's repeat. Wednesday is Bodwar. Thursday is Braswar. Friday is Shukurwar. And Saturday is Batwar. Together, all the words, recapping them. Hello is not Atwar. Hello is Namaskar. Time is Waqt. Today is Aaz. Sunday is Atwar. Monday is Chandarwar. Tuesday is Bomwar. Wednesday is Bodwar. Thursday is Braswar. Friday is Shukrwar. And Saturday is Batwar. Now, as you can see, these are not 20 words. I was trying to figure out how much time it does it take to create a lesson of around 15 minutes. And I believe 10 words for the first day are a good start. So take these 10 words, repeat them as many times as you can, and I will see you tomorrow. Well done.